Hi there, welcome to NZ Electronics Repair. If your MacBook speaker is not working, we are going to show you how you can replace it. Now we are using a MacBook A1990 for this video, and let's go ahead with the repair. First you have to remove these 6 P5 screws using a P5 screwdriver. After that you have to grab a suction cup and pipes like this. Be careful, there are locks in this and this position. Then you have to push it outside like this. So first you will need to disconnect the battery. So this is the connector for the battery. You have to pull it like this, and then you have to disconnect this using a T5 screwdriver and gently pull it up for like around 45 degrees so that it doesn't touch it. So after disconnecting the battery, these are the speakers for your MacBook. So they are pretty simple to replace. You just grab some isopropyl alcohol and put it like this. Just make sure that you don't put too much because the screen is just underneath this top case. And after a few moments you have to unplug the speaker, and after that just grab a prying tool and pry it up like this. And that's how you can remove the speaker from your MacBook. Just grab a new replacement part, and if you don't have replacement parts, you can come to NZ Electronics Repair, or you can call 0800 585 222 for a free quote, and we can fix your MacBook issues in just 30 minutes. So I'll go ahead and reinstall the speaker. It's pretty simple. And just press on the speaker, and after that you can just connect the battery back. And press on the lock. If you are looking to fix your MacBook in just 30 minutes, you can come to NZ Electronics Repair.